My name is Elena Sweetster with the Sweetster Team with Real Broker in Dallas-Fort Worth, and today I want to tell you how important Start a Network has been for my business. Within the last year, I started a networking group here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and Start a Network has been huge for it because it's been an all go-to one place that all the business owners within our group can go to and continue to share our businesses, collaborate, and expose. I started a network because as a real estate agent, everybody comes to me for every need within their home. We're always looking for a business. So it was beneficial for me to bring the business owners that I collaborate already with, to bring them together to help bring the good business owners and good service back into my community. People ask me, why did you start a networking group versus just joining one? It'd be a lot easier. And my answer to that is kind of like being your own business owner. You're able to control the group and your own business. I've been able to bring people in, different business owners that are like-minded like me, and collaborate, and able to now refer people that I know, like, and trust to my clients in my community. Since starting my own networking group, I've realized that people naturally look to you as a leader, which is so important because it's all about being able to control the environment and the growth of your business. And that is why this networking group and Start a Network is so important to me. Before Start a Network, I was juggling everything on my own. So Start a Network has allowed me to not only take a lot of legwork off of my plate, but it's also helped me with expenses within the group, accountability within the group. If you're thinking about starting a networking group, I highly recommend Start a Network and helping partner you on building your group.
So Elena, I wanted to show you some of the feedback you actually gave me about inviting visitors. We're actually going to put that into the app.
Oh, wow.
So right now when you do invite a visitor, you just enter their name and email address, and then it has a canned message. But the feature we're going to add, it was really your idea, you'll be able to choose email or text.
Oh, nice.
And if they choose text, what will happen is it'll open your native text app on your phone, and then it'll put their phone number in, the person they're contacting, but also your phone number.
Nice.
Create a group text with whatever the canned message is that you want.
But it all stays in one place.
All stays in one place.
Wow.
So, in other words, if you got the message like you were saying, hey, Joe meet Elena, Elena meet Joe, Joe, I want to invite you to my networking group, Elena runs it, here you go. You can have that canned message so that everybody in your networking group can just hit invite a visitor, put in their name and phone number, and it just takes care of the rest.
So it just saves me a lot of time.
Yeah, so we're working on putting that in. That should be there.
Wow, it's a great
February
feature.
15th.
Okay.
And then you've seen this already, but you can actually see all of your members. And then right through the app, you can call them, text them, email them, share their
website
profile, which is really awesome, right? If you guys aren't taking advantage of this, you really should.
Yeah.
You can just hit the Facebook button or the Instagram button or whatever, and you get their entire profile, including fast facts about their business, who they are, and then obviously you can tag onto that, right?
Yeah.
And
I think this is brilliant because before normally you just send someone a phone number.
Yeah.
So this lets the person actually know who you're referring.
Yeah, and if you share it, right, let's say I want to share it via text message, it puts a link to their profile right there.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So you get their name, their business name, their phone number, and who they are all in one place as you're sharing contacts out. And it's so easy because you don't have to fumble through your contacts. You can just come right here and you've got a small group of people that you share and you like and trust. So
love that.
And then if you guys aren't using the messaging feature now, which I know most of you aren't, you do have the messaging feature, which is great. You can actually share not only can you share words, obviously, but you can share images as well.
Very nice.
And you can set that up actually as small groups. So if you wanted to, you could have subgroups within your networking group. So like you and Michael and me, or whoever you wanted to include in that, that could be like your real estate group or whatever. And then you could share just with that group certain things that you had going on, promotions, collaborations, whatever. So all that's in here. Something else that's here that's not in the app but is on the web version is something called a spotlight article.
Oh, okay.
And the spotlight article shows up on your front-facing website for your networking group. And so if you go in there, basically you put a subject in of something you want to talk about, and then there's an AI engine in the back that will actually ask you several questions.
Okay.
And so you might go in there and you might say, hey, I want to write an article about what buyers can do in this market to be more competitive.
And from there you can share it all social platforms and everything.
And the AI will actually ask you 7 to 10 questions about that and generate an interview.
Wow.
And then you can add pictures to it, whatever you want, and then you can blast that out wherever you'd like.
It's right up my alley.
So yeah, I want to definitely.
Yeah,
go
I'm
through
excited
that
about
with you
that.
and, yeah, and show you how to use that.
Thanks, Brian.
So, yeah.